Let me show you how to make the most incredible mushroom soup that creates its own rich, creamy broth without any dairy or cream. This method unlocks deep umami flavors you won't believe come from such simple ingredients. Start by removing the stems from fresh mushrooms. Arrange them cup side down in a cold pan with just a touch of oil. Cook over medium heat until golden brown. That initial seed develops incredible flavor. Flip them over and watch as they release their natural juices, creating this beautiful mushroom stock right in the pan. Use kitchen shears to snap the mushrooms into perfect slices. This rough cut creates more surface area for maximum flavor extraction. Add a generous amount of water and bring to a gentle simmer. Now for the protein, drop in small meatball portions directly into the bubbling broth. Watch them cook through until they float to the surface. That's your sign they are perfectly tender. Finish with fresh cilantro for brightness, a pinch of salt to enhance all the natural flavors, and a good pinch of pepper for gentle heat. What you get is pure liquid gold, a broth so rich and creamy it feels indulgent, yet made from nothing but whole natural ingredients.